Hi everybody, Bourbon Beginner here, and a little Christmas present I got from the family. Got a cocktail smoking kit. We're going to test this out. So I've poured two identical old fashions, and since I'm doing my palate improvement process this week, I'm working on the benchmark old number 8. So of course I used that in both of these, and they're poured identical. And I'm going to go ahead and try this kit out. I'm going to smoke one of them and then drink both of them and see if there's any improvement. So I'll open this up. Looks like there's some kind of game you can play. And it comes with 4 different little tins of the smoking chips. So we got cherry, apple, hickory, and peach. So I think maybe we'll do cherry. Sounds good. So we'll go ahead and do that one. Got a little smoking cover that we cover up the drink that we want to smoke. We open up the chips and put just a little bit of chips into the smoker. I'm not going to do much. This is just a sample. We're just trying it out. All right. And it comes with a little torch. And I have already filled it up. It doesn't come filled, but I've got butane from all my cigar lighters. So I've already filled that up with butane. So what we do is we put this cover on, and those chips go in a little metal basket down the bottom of it. So we go ahead and line it up and then cover it up. And really that's all there is to it. As you can see, there's a lot of smoke in there. So we'll kind of shake him up, and since we're shaking that one, we'll shake this one just to be fair. I'll let it sit for about 20 to 30 seconds. And then we'll go ahead and uncover him. So real carefully uncover it. And look at that. If nothing else, that is pretty cool. As you can see, the smoke kind of stays down in there because the ice cools it down. Of course, that smoke now is just going to stay in that glass. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and try the control old fashioned. It's okay. Now let's try the smoked old fashioned. It does have a little smoky flavor, especially since it had a lot of the smoke still in it. I can still smell it too. I can still smell that smoke. So, is it worth it? Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a nice Christmas gift. It makes a really good presentation when you're doing a smoked old fashioned. So, just wanted to show you that, and still working on my this week the palate improvement, and be coming back at the end of the week, and we'll be moving from the 80 proof to the bottle and bond, and we'll talk a little bit about what bottle and bond means. And I'll see you then. But until then, enjoy.